I'm gonna try to show in detail. Now all this lot is for parts or not working. Some might work, some might not. Those are the way I found them when I used to buy them, so I will not clean all. I have hundreds of Thomas toys, so these are for parts not working. I don't know and haven't had a chance recently to check every single item, but like I say, they are for parts. If someone has the time to fix and repair, the link as always in the description. I have a lot of models I'm posting. Some might or might not be complete, so it's up to you. It's for parts. I think one of these it sells for 20 bucks or 18 bucks. But you gotta figure out the way to fix them. Yeah, I have hundreds of Thomas toys, so I'm trying to sell everything, because I don't need them. I don't use them. Okay, I'm gonna keep posting again.